In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter multi-currency transactions in QuickBooks Online with SaaS. This is an essential skill if you're dealing with clients, suppliers, or transactions in different currencies, as it helps ensure your financial records are accurate and up to date. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, you'll be starting from a strong foundation. Knowing how to efficiently manage your multi-currency transactions can save you a great deal of time and prevent costly mistakes. Now, once you're in QuickBooks, look up to the upper right corner of the page, and you'll notice a gear icon. That's your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. This settings menu is a hub of customization for your QuickBooks experience, allowing you to tailor various functionalities to suit your business needs. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll see an option that says Account and Settings. Clicking this will take you to a new page where you can manage your company's details and preferences. The focus here is customization and managing core financial settings, which is where multi-currency options are nestled. Now we're getting closer to enabling multi-currency. On the left-hand side of your screen, find and click on the Advanced tab. This section holds many of the less frequently changed but incredibly important settings for your QuickBooks account. Moving forward in the Advanced settings, direct your attention to the Currency section. Here you'll see an option labeled Home Currency. This is where you specify the primary currency for your company's financial transactions. Before you can enter multi-currency transactions, you need to make sure this home currency is set correctly. Though this step might seem straightforward, it's crucial because once your home currency is set and multi-currency is enabled, QuickBooks uses this as the base for all exchange rate calculations. After you've confirmed that your home currency is set correctly, the next step is to save your changes. You'll find a Save button right there in the Advanced Settings page. By clicking it, you're telling QuickBooks to remember this configuration and implement it across your account. It might seem like a small step, but hitting save ensures that all your efforts are not lost and your settings are correctly applied. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your QuickBooks Online to handle multi-currency transactions. By completing these steps, you're empowering your business to manage international transactions smoothly and accurately. Remember, managing foreign currencies in QuickBooks is a powerful feature when it comes to bookkeeping, giving you a more comprehensive view of your financial situation worldwide. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your financial operations.